Hi everyone, welcome to Playwright tutorial. Today in this tutorial we are going to talk about one of the most popular testing approaches using in modern automation BDD with Playwright. So let's begin. Introduction to BDD. What BDD actually is and why so many automation teams use it. BDD stands for Behavior Driven Development and it focuses on describing application behavior in simple, human readable way. Instead of writing complex technical test cases, BDD let us write scenarios that anyone, QA, developers, product owners can understand. What is BDD? BDD is an approach where we write tests in plain English using a structure called Gherkin syntax. This helps improve collaboration, reduces misunderstandings, and make test cases easy to maintain. What is BDD? BDD is an extension of test driven development. It uses simple English language to describe behavior of the system. BDD scenarios are written in a structure format using given, when, then. Key concept of BDD: features, scenario, steps, Gherkin language, given, when, and then. So, what is given, when, and then? These three keywords form the backbone of BDD. Given. This describes the starting point or the precondition. For example, given the user is on the login page. When this describes the action performed by the user. User will enter valid credentials, user enter valid password, and then this describes the expected outcome or result. For example, then the user should be login. After entering valid username and password, user should be login successfully. So basically, given is a setup, when is a action, and then is a result. Why use BDD? Improves communication, easy to understand test cases, and it reduces misunderstanding, early defect detection, better collaboration between teams. This is BDD and traditional testing. Traditional testing focuses on technical implementation written mainly by testers, while BDD focuses on business behavior. Specflow, JBehav, Playwright with BDD, Selenium with BDD. Benefits of BDD. BDD brings a lot of value to automation teams. The biggest benefit is that it improves communication because tests are written in simple, readable language that everyone can understand, including developers, testers, and business teams. It also reduces misunderstandings because the behavior of the application is clearly defined. BDD makes test cases easier to maintain and more aligned with real user flows. And other benefit is that scenarios become living documentation, meaning you test explain exactly how the system should behave. Overall, BDD helps teams build better quality software by focusing on behavior instead of complexity. This is the conclusion. BDD focus on behavior rather than technical implementation. It helps teams build the right software with better quality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SK World In upcoming tutorial, we will move into practical examples and write real feature files and step definition. See you in the next video.